Hey, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. This is V here and Pam's behind the camera. And I'm all festive for you guys. And welcome back to the 25 Days of Christmas. Today, the recipe I'm making, it's 50-50 combined. It's an easy recipe if you are busy around the holidays like I am. I'm busy in general. It doesn't matter if it's a holiday or not. But this is a quick recipe and it's really delicious and it's really fresh. So I have it's a cauliflower leek soup. I have some fresh dill that I'm gonna add in the end. I have a lemon. You guys know my deal with lemon. I have some nutritional yeast, and here I have 3 spears of celery, a very small onion that I just roughly chopped, half a head of cauliflower. This is about 3 leeks, 7 cloves of garlic, and a 1/4 cup of oats.
Is that about a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast?
Yes, a 1/4 cup. And the lemon and the dill I'm gonna add in the end.
Yeah.
And I have about 2 cups of water here, but I'll see how it goes. You know, I want to see. And to top when the soup is done, what I'm gonna top it off with is air fried potatoes. And the air fried potato, I just zested a lemon, salt, pepper, and I air fried it. So I'm gonna get to the soup now. I'm gonna add my cauliflower head in here. And this is easy because when this is done, you just come in with the immersion blender and just zhuzh it up. And these are the leeks going in. And I washed it really well.
Leeks you have to. Leeks can be dirty, so.
I washed it really, really good. I washed it too, and then I left it in soaked in cold water just to be extra safe. The garlic goes in. And I'm just doing this in a pressure cooker. You can do this in an Instapot if you have an Instapot.
I have a Ninja Foodie, and I would do it on high for, it's vegetables, so I'd probably do it for 5 to 10 minutes at the max.
So I had 2 cups and I put 1.5 cup of water in here. So I'm just gonna close this up, let it go. I would say about 15-20 minutes or 4 whistles, and then I'll come back and show you what to do. Alright, so now my soup's done. As you can see, everything looks like it's cooked pretty good. So I'm just gonna go in here with the immersion blender and blend. Alright, while I'm blending this, I'm gonna go ahead and add salt and pepper to it.
About 3/4 teaspoon?
Yeah. And
just about a 1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah.
That wasn't much at all.
And the nutritional yeast is about
1/4 cup.
I'm gonna add it in there. And
looks good.
Yep.
And I've been looking at, those are the air fried potatoes. Oh, I've been looking at those. They smell so good. That little bit of the lemon zest that you put on there really makes a potato.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the dill in here.
And that was like one package, one of those.
I got these and I just chopped the whole thing up and I put most of it in there, and I just want a little bit to save to put on top. And I'm gonna take my entire lemon and squeeze it in here.
Can you tell we haven't eaten? Like
Yeah, we really want to get to this.
Yeah.
And it smells so good.
Yeah, I love cauliflower soup. I make cauliflower soup a lot. My kids love it. So.
All right, so I've got everything.
Of course, I usually add the potato to my soup.
Yeah.
You know, and do a crunchy chickpea on top or something. But you instead are doing the air fried.
I'm doing the air fried potatoes on top because when I'm doing soup, I like to have some texture.
I agree. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. So, and I didn't want to add croutons or anything to it. So I was like, okay, I think this way. I'll go this way.
And it'll be 50-50 with all the veg, and then you got a little bit of oats and your potato on top.
Yeah. So this is how I'm gonna plate it. And everything smells really delicious, really fresh. And let me tell you, it's a quick and easy recipe. You know, you can just do it and be on your way. And there you have it.
Looks delicious. Good job, V.
Thank you. I hope you try this out. Try us and let us know how you like it. I think it's really helpful during the holidays. And for me, you know, I try to find recipes that are quick, or I prep during the, you know, before the week starts, so that way it's quicker and easier for me. But try it out. Let us know how you like it. Follow us on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. All the socials, and we will see you back next week. Bye, guys.